Today I am going to teach you the chapter The Tiger King from Vistas, the supplementary reader, written by Kalki. Introduction. About the writer. Ramaswamy Krishnamurti, widely known as Kalki, his pen name, was an Indian writer, journalist, poet and critic. Summary. The Tiger King was a satire on the pride and stubbornness of those in power. When the story was written, King lived under the thumb rule of British. Here the hero of the story, the Maharaja of Patibandapuram, believed what was foretold by the chief astrologer. He believed what was written in his fate as told by the astrologer. So was the irony as well as tragedy. According to the astrologer, he was born in the hour of the bull. The bull and the tiger was born enemies. Therefore, the tiger would be only cause of his death. Ironically, the king would kill 99 tigers, but his death was caused by a wooden toy tiger. Only the 100th tiger eluded him, and finally it appeared in the form of wooden toy to make or to take revenge upon the Tiger King. So, the story of the Tiger King is a satire. The writer used this humor to attack a person or an idea or a behavior that he think bad or silly. So, here he satirizes the pride and stubbornness of those in power. By that time, India was ruled by the British. And at the same time, the Second World War was also going on. Here the hero of the story, Maharaja of Patibandapuram, believed what the chief astrologer told him. The chief astrologer had foretold that the prince was born in the hour of the bull. The bull and the tiger was born enemies, and therefore the tiger would be the only cause of his death. Ironically, the king who kills 99 tigers, his death was caused only by a wooden tiger toy. Message. Game like hunting among the rich and the powerful are quite common. Their hunting should be banned by the law. Man's ego dominates every other consideration. They kill innocent animals just for fun and their egoistic pleasure. There are a lot of such examples of carelessness of human beings towards wildlife. The governments remain a helpless and meek spectator. Only exemplary punishment to poachers and hunters can save innocent animals. People should be environment friendly. We should take care of all the life upon it. Writer Kalki seems to highlight the extinction of the most beautiful animal due to indiscriminate killing. So, the Tiger King through the chapter, the writer want to convey or deliver us that message that the wild animals should be protected. We should be environmental friendly and we should take care of all the life upon it. Actually, for rich people or powerful people, hunting is a source of fun and enjoyment. Through this, they fulfill their egoistic pleasure. So, the carelessness of human behavior beings towards wildlife should be banned. The government should be impose some laws to control all these things. But in reality, we have seen the government remains a helpless and mere spectators. If only exemplary punishment to the poachers and the hunters can save innocent animals, and the extinction of most beautiful animal like tiger, there should be and other also extinct animals should be saved if government impose some strict rules to the people. Characters. The Tiger King. The hero of the story, he is the Maharaja of Patibandapuram. The crown prince, a 10-day-old baby, here the king after his birth, after 10 days actually. Durai means chief or leader. Diwan is chief administrative officer. Durai Sani means the wife of the high-ranking British officer here. Story first. Here in this chapter we find 5 stories. This is the first story. Let's see. The main character of the story, the king of Patibandapuram, list of titles that emphasizes his greatness. To sum up, all the title is one, the Tiger King. The reason for his being called shall be revealed in the lesson ahead. So, what are his titles? We have found there His Highness, Zamandar General, Khiledar Major, Sevo Seta Bhagra Samhari, Maharaja Dhiraj, Biswa Bhuvana Samrat, Sir Zilani Jangjang Bahadur, MAD, ACTC or CRCK. But this name is often shortened to the Tiger King. So, shortly he is called the Tiger King. But all these names are used in his name to emphasize his greatness, how great he was. The writer here promised the reader that he will not go back on his promise even if he is under the threat of an attack by a Stoka bomber. So, as we, it is an exaggeration actually. By that time, the Second World War was going on. So, he exaggeratedly want to tell us that if the Stoka bomb from that war fall on him, then also he will not stop writing his story. So, he will let the readers know what happened to the Tiger Kings. The important things about him is that any person who reads about the Tiger King would be very exciting to meet a man of such undefeatable courage. But he says that there is no chance of meeting Tiger King as he is already dead and he has reached heaven. So, about listening to him, listening to the king, what happened? People got excited to meet him, to know his undomitable courage, to meet a person with undomitable courage. But the writer says that there is no chance of meeting the Tiger King as he has already dead. When the Tiger King was born, astrologer had predicted that one day the Tiger King would die. So, in the starting we come to know when the chief astrologer told that the Tiger King would die, then the 10 years old Tiger King spoke up. All the listeners were surprised to see a 10-day-old baby speak. So, the 10-year-old baby, he spoke up, "Oh, wise prophet." So, when he listened that he will one day die, then the little baby of 10 days speak. Jangjang Bahadur speak, "Oh, wise prophet." But listening this, all the people, they are surprised to see a 10 days baby boy speaking. The Tiger King said that all those who are born have to die one day. It need not prediction. He added that if they told him the manner of his death, that would make some sense to him. So, everybody knows that we all will have to die one day. So, for this, prediction is not required. He told that if they can predict or told him the manner of his death, that would make some sense to him. The astrologer told that the prince was born in the hour of the bull. The bull and the tigers are born enemies, therefore his death comes from the tiger. This account is only a rumor rift in Patibandapuram, but with hindsight, we may conclude it was based on some truth. So, the chief astrologer told that as the prince was born in the hour of bull hour, so the bull and the tigers are born enemies. and his death will also come from the tiger only. These accounts are only a rumor. So, the people were doubtful about this story, about the truth of this story. But by looking at the situation after it has happened, all feel that there might have some truth about the story. This is the end of the first part. We have more 4 parts in this story. In my later videos, I will discuss with you the chapters or later parts. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.